If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To format up-down bars in Excel, if you add them to a chart, choose the set of up bars or down bars to format from the Chart Elements dropdown in the Current Selection button group on the Format Contextual tab of the ribbon. Then click the Format Selection button below the drop-down menu in the same button group. Alternatively, right-click the set of up bars or down bars to format in the chart. Then select either the Format Up Bars or Format Down Bars command from the pop-up menu that appears. Using either method then displays the Format Up Bars or Format Down Bars task pane at the right side of the screen, depending on which set of bars you selected. In the Up Bar Options or Down Bar Options category, which appears at the top of the pane and is selected by default, click the Fill and Line or Effects subcategory settings icon below the category to set its related options for the selected set of bars. The formatting options for the selected subcategory appear in collapsible and expandable lists at the bottom of the task pane. To expand and collapse the individual subcategory options, click the option titles. Then set any individual options as desired in the task pane to immediately apply those changes. When finished, click the X button in the upper right corner of the task pane to close it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.